What's good, humans? So that's right, it's me, Miss Casey, at nagbabalik na naman sa channel ko. So yay! As you can see, we're wearing a mask, earrings, and this is our outfit for today. Oh, my outfit for today. Kasi today, we're going out, and it's like 7 in the morning. We're an early person now.
Wow!
Because we're going to meet someone. May makikipag-collab daw sa akin, Zoy. Hindi ko ba alam kung bakit ako ang napili niya. But anyway, we're going because this is an opportunity. So we're going daw somewhere na falls. And kami daw ang unang pupunta down. And this Don. And this guy na makikilab sa akin is really good. And he's very talented. So you're gonna see him later and you'll be amazed. Ingay na aso eh. Oh! So, ayan. Yes, so we're going and see you guys later. Enjoy this video. Yay! So hey guys, we're here at Iona Gallery with Hey Ivan. So, ito yung first stop namin before going to the falls. So, see you later! Sheesh. Hey! So, there we go. Andito na naman po kami sa Sagpawe Hidden Garden. Isa po siyang dadaanan before going to
Payogpog Falls.
Yes, so
This is a hidden garden dito sa Silan. Yeah.
So, let's
Let's
go!
Kayo invite come all come and discover the hidden garden of Sagpawe Hidden Garden. Bring your friends and loved ones and enjoy relax dito sa Sagpawe Hidden Garden. Hey, so, pababa ba ako ba? Tarik ang kanyang daan. Ah! Yan po ang ating daanan, ano? Did you see that? Wait lang! Sige, kuya. Buti na lang we have Kuya John Michael. Say hi! Okay. Lapit na tayo ba? Red na ang aking face. So, okay. Let's go. Okay, we're down. Feren! Okay. Ito na talaga. Yun! Hey! So we're here! Yan. This is the hidden falls here in Sriland. It's called Bayogbog Falls, guys. So, ayan, kita nyo naman. Yung sapatos ko, hindi akma sa ginawa namin today. Pero anyway, okay lang yan. So, yay! We have here Ate Models and we have there Kuya and Ivan Ray. So, you see that? Oh! Ganda ng lighting niya, friend. Anyway, so let's see. Hey! So, ayun, nandito na kami sa falls. Tingnan naman ang hot-hot ng kuya niyo, Iva. Mabasa na yung cellphone ko, friend. Ayan! Yay! Kita niyo ba? Ganda dito, guys. And for disclaimer lang, hindi pa siya open for the public. Open lang siya for photo shoot and videos. Ayan. So, hindi pa po siya open sa public. So, wait nyo na lang kung kailan siya
Tapos na itong ginagawa.
Oo, kung ma-open siya sa public. Ayan. So, andito kami ngayon. So, kasi may shoot si Ivan ngayon. May shoot siya for isang film. Kaya, andito kami. Kaya napayagan kaming pumunta. Can you hear me? So, ayan. Punta tayo. Malamig yung tubig, friend. Hi! One of our tour guides sila. Ayan. Friend, malamig, friend. Di carry. Ayan, so ito yung falls. Ayan. Yan siya, to be exact. Yan yung falls. Kaso nga lang, guys, wala po tayong signal here. Kaya, it's really time to enjoy kasi wala siyang signal. So, time for yourself lang, ganon. So, ayan, let's enjoy it! About the falls. What are your thoughts?
Very cold too.
Yeah, the water is very cold, guys. Ayan.
Very cold, pero once you get here, mas worth it talaga yung falls dito. Kasi you're going to get tired, you're going to walk, you're going to sweat all day, and then you're going to feel like you really want to jump in the water.
Yeah, true. So, yay! So, ayun guys, pauwi na kami. Ayan, nagpapalit ko siya and we're going home. It was a great experience. So, ayun. Kita nyo ba yan? Yan yung dadaanan namin. So, what can you say today?
I can't wait to ride the horse kasi babalik kami pa naman.
Yeah, we're riding
And then,
a horse.
Sa mga interesado na pumunta dito, this is under, as she said, this is under tourism development. So,
Hindi pa siya open for the public.
yeah, don't worry guys. Siguro, si Mayor mag-update na about this. So, yeah.
Yay! Yay! So we're going up and we're riding a horse na. Ivan. It's Ivan. And this is our horsey. Yay! Nakabalik na po kami sa Iona Gallery. So, yeah. That's basically it. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channels. It's Miss Casey and Hey Ivan. Yeah.
Thanks for
Been fun.
watching. Bye!
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars I